Hey guys, this is your friendly neighborhood TFG, also known as a Transformer Gundam, and first of all, I just want to apologize for my lack of videos. I know I did promise a review for the Netflix Megatron, but sadly that had to be delayed just due to me getting busy with schoolwork. But if you can't tell by this change of scenery, I am actually back home for the weekend, and when I came home, I actually had a package waiting for me, and I am super excited. Now, this is something I actually ordered over a year ago from, if you can't tell, USA Gundam Store. And yeah, I am super excited for this. And for a hint, this is actually not anything Gundam related. So here's the box. It's pretty small. And this is a action figure. So without further ado, let me just get my knife, which I actually got this new pocket knife, which is pretty cool, and it is actually spring loaded. So yeah, let's cut into this. I'm gonna make this a short video just because it is almost 2 in the morning for me, but I just figured I'd do this quick unboxing, and I'm super excited to get into this. So let us get into this. Cut and the sides. Alright, get the other side. Alright, so let's see what we got in here. We got the order form confirmation. We got some bubble wrap, not bubble wrap, just the air bag packing foam. We got just a little thank you order, card thing, so that's cool. We also got, oh wow, this is actually really cool. We got this really cool sticker. Yeah, that's actually awesome. I'll definitely put this on something. And finally, oh my god, yes, I am so excited. Finally, we got, you can't tell, this is another Figma. And this is not just any Figma. Let me just get this off here to reveal. Oh yes. Oh yes. Ah, yes, it's beautiful. This is the Metroid Prime 3 Corruption Samus Figma. Oh man. If you don't know by now, I am a huge Metroid fan. Metroid is my favorite gaming series of all time. I love Samus, I love her armor, and I especially love her armor from the Prime games. So when I saw that they announced this figure, I knew I wanted to get it. But it sold out fast, of course, and then they got more in, so I pre-ordered it from USA Gundam Store because I was actually able to get it for pretty cheap. I actually, let's see, how much did I pay for this? I paid, it was $72 plus shipping was $8, so around $80, $81, which is honestly pretty cheap for a figure like this. This goes way over $100 more or now. So yeah, I am super excited. And just to do a quick comparison, I have the other Figma here, which, I mean, this figure isn't bad by any stretch of the imagination. It's a great figure, but oh man, I cannot wait to get into this one. Like, I just heard this one blows this figure away. Like, they really did improve a lot of stuff on this figure. So yeah, I'm just really excited. So expect a review maybe. I'll be here for at least a weekend, so maybe I can just review this before I go back to my apartment. And if not, maybe I'll just bring it with me actually back to my apartment. I can review it there. I haven't decided yet, but man, as I said, I've been waiting over a year for this, and it's finally here. Here's the back. Just, you can see, oh my god. Like, you can get in some amazing looking poses. Comes with some extra hands, so you can do the famous waving scene at the very end. And yeah, man, she just looks so good. Oh, and this is number 349 in the Figma series. the official Nintendo logo there, so you know this is a legit product. And yeah, not really anything else I can say for now. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, again, sorry for the lack of videos. Hopefully I will make more soon rather than later, but if not, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.